If you ship products within the United States, you can buy and print shipping labels directly on your site. This helps to streamline the shipping process and prevents the need for third-party extensions. You can create and print your own shipping labels if you're on a billing plan that includes them. To learn more, visit our guide link in the description. To buy and print a label, open the Orders panel. Then click a pending order that you'd like to make a label for. Click Purchase Label. If this is your first label purchase, enter your return address, then click Save. Click Shipping Label, then click Type to select the type of packaging. You can choose from custom packaging or carrier packaging from USPS or UPS. If you're using custom packaging, enter the package dimensions and wait. To save these packaging details for later use, click Save Packaging. Select your shipping service. Click Review Order, then confirm your label purchase. After purchasing the label, click Done. To print it, click the three-dot menu, then click Print Label. To cancel the label, open the same menu, then click Cancel Label. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.